As India aims to become a 5 trillion economy by the year 2025, export of defense sector plays a very important role. And also in the concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is the product of the present government, we will be looking into how the Indian government is planning to increase the defense exports. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about decoding the 5 billion defense export target. So the target for the defense export is 5 billion, and how are we going to do it is what we will be seeing. So first of all, let's look at the timeline of the video. First we'll be looking at the news, and then about the current export figures, how much are we exporting to other countries, and then what India exports, what are the component in arms sector that we are exporting, then the destinations that India is looking towards exporting, then the major export destinations of India, and then the initiatives related to defense taken by the government. In the end, a prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, which is defense technology. So from exam perspective, you should be able to know that what is the current export figures, what are the schemes or the initiatives taken by the government, export destinations, and from which countries are we importing. So let's get started and see the news. And the news has been taken from the Indian Express, and it reads, decoding the 5 billion defense exports target which PM Modi spoke of at Aero India 2023. So the Aero India 2023 has just concluded in Bangalore, and there the Prime Minister of India, that is Mr. Narendra Modi, has talked about that how can we increase the defense exports from our country and will be able to achieve the target of 5 billion defense exports. So at Aero India 2023, PM has reiterated that the Defense Ministry's target to raise India's annual defense exports to 5 billion by the year 2024-25. And the year 24-25 is also the target year for reaching the 5 trillion economy. And the government of India and as a nation, India is moving towards it, and we are performing fine after the COVID lockdown has happened and the physical activities has started again, and India is on its path of recovery. And the export sector of India in defense is currently of 1.5 billion, and from 1.5 billion our aim is to reach 5 billion, and the target year is 2024-25. So you should be able to know this one, that the current scenario is around 1.5 billion and the target is 5 billion, and the target year is 2024-25. And the government is giving a strong push towards achieving self-reliance in defense, and the mantra for present government is also about Atmanirbharta, that is self-reliance, and they have talked a lot about Atmanirbhar Bharat and manufacturing in Bharat, that is made in India. So these are few of the flagship projects that the present government look towards and is also pushing towards. Then expected to increase India's defense exports, because now made in India and manufacturing in India has a lot to do by manufacturing defense exports, because over the years we have depended on a large quantity and on a large percentage about importing from the other countries, and when it comes to the defense equipments we have largely been dependent on the imports, and the manufacturing has always been very low. Now let's talk about the current export scenario. So in currently what are we doing? In last slide we talked about that currently we are exporting about 1.5 billion exports. Then according to the government data, India's defense export value till December 2022 had reached 6,058 crore. So this is overall value, and the defense exports have grown by 334% in the past 5 years. This can be an important data for you to write in your mains answer writing and also in essay or as example, that in the last 5 years India as a nation has really performed well when it comes to defense exports, because the rise has been of 334%, and this has touched nearly rupees 13,000 crore particularly and specifically in the year 2021-22. So in this year we have performed really well, and with each passing year we are doing really fine. And the export of defense sector, this include munition list items under 6 of special chemicals, organisms, materials, equipment and technologies for which the Department of Defense Production under the Ministry of Defense issues an authorization. So important point is that we need to look into that everything which is related to the defense procurement comes under Ministry of Defense. So this was about the current scenario. So what you need to remember is in the last 5 years there has been an increase of 334%, and with each passing year we are performing well and the export value is increasing, and the current export value is around 1.5 billion while we tend to reach to 5 billion in the year 2024-25. Now what India exports, what are the items that we are actually giving to the other countries and the other countries are interested from taking from us. So these includes personal protective items, offshore patrol vessels, ALH helicopter, SU avionics, then Bharti radio coastal surveillance system, Kavach MOD second launcher and FCS, pairs of radar, electronic system, light engineering, mechanical parts, among others. So these are few of the items that we are exporting majorly and on large basis. And by December 2022, the government has told Parliament that, so this was last year, that is December 2022, the government has said this in Parliament that the major items exported by India in the last 3 years include lightweight torpedoes, weapon locating radar, fast patrol vessels, 120 mm mortar armored protective vessel, that is 0.338 Lepuna Magnum sniper rifle and simulators. So this is the statement which the government has said in Parliament, that in the last 3 years these are the major items which has been exported by India to other countries. So these can be few of the examples that you can write, that what are we actually exporting on major basis. Now let's talk about the destinations India is looking for exports. So which all are the countries that we are actually looking towards for exporting our items? So the talks are going on with Argentina and Egypt to export its indigenous LCA Tejas. LCA Tejas is light combat aircraft Tejas. So this has always been in news and is performing very well also, and has been a bona fide product of the made in India. Now this India has also signed a contract with Mauritius for the export of one advanced light helicopter. So if you are seeing, first talks are going on with Argentina and Egypt, and we have also supplied to Mauritius. Then Guyana, which is a South American country, it is also expected to export the Dornier 228 and fast patrol vessels. And in the year 2022, India has signed a 375 million contract with Philippines to export the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. So the South Asian nations are the nations to whom we are actually exporting on a large basis. Then India is looking to export the lighter next generation version, that is BrahMos NG, to over 10 countries including South Africa, Egypt, UAE and Saudi Arabia. So if you will look that it is the Asian countries or the South Asian countries or the Middle Eastern countries which are particularly our target countries, and they are also importing a lot from us. Now let's talk about the major export destinations. So to whom are we actually exporting a lot? So India's private companies and defense PSUs currently export defense equipment to over 75 countries. So it is the private companies. It is the private companies which are exporting on a larger basis. So the private companies of India are exporting. You can read the line again, that India's private companies and defense PSUs currently export defense equipment to around 75 countries, and the number of countries is increasing on a regular basis. Then next comes the major export destinations include Italy, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Russia, France, Nepal, Mauritius, Sri Lanka and many more. Then according to the Indian Exim Bank 2022, Mauritius, Mozambique and Seychelles have been among the top customers for India's defense exports between 2017 and 2021. So in the last 5 years, the countries to whom we have exported the maximum amount of defense equipments are Mauritius, Mozambique and Seychelles. So this is a very, very, very important data for you to remember that. See, we always know that the countries from India, the countries from which India is importing the maximum amount of defense equipment has always been Russia, US, France. These names we tend to remember on daily basis, but do we actually know that who are the countries who are importing from India the maximum amount of defense equipment? So these are Mauritius, Mozambique and Seychelles, and the percentage is Mauritius was at 6.6%, Mozambique at 5% and Seychelles at 2.3%. So Mauritius, Mozambique and Seychelles are the top 3 importer who are importing the defense equipments from India and to whom India is exporting. Then according to the SIPRI report 2022, as you can see that all these reports are about 2022, so these are the latest data, and you need to remember this and try to incorporate into any of the answers which you are writing, or the or essay also you can give them as examples, and this will also be helpful for you in the prelims. Then according to the SIPRI report 2022, India is among the top 25 exporters of major arms. So this situation of India and the position of India when it comes to major arms exporter is increasing. Now we are under top 25 exporter of defense equipment. Then Myanmar has been the biggest importer of Indian arms at 50% during the 2017-21 period, followed by Sri Lanka at 25% and Armenia at 11%. So in the last around 5 years, that is the time period of 2017 to 2021, the country who has imported the maximum from India has been Myanmar, who is the biggest importer of Indian arms. Then comes Sri Lanka, our neighbor, and Myanmar is also our neighbor, and then comes Armenia. So these are important data, and this is also credible because the name of the report is also there. Now let's talk about the initiatives related to the defense sector in our country. So what the government is doing is the defense ministry is earmarking 75% of its defense capital budget for 2023-24. So defense capital budget and a percentage of 75% is very high. So looking at the percentage for the defense capital budget, we can actually think about that. Yes, the government is very, very seriously working towards increasing the export of the defense equipments. Then comes about the procurements from domestic sources and 3 positive indigenization list of 3,738 items. So domestic sources procurement is also increasing, and we are talking about a lot that we have to made in India, manufacture in India. Then 2 defense industrial corridors are also being set up in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Very, very important points. You need to know that which are the 2 states under which the defense industrial corridor are being set up or is being talked about, that is Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Then simplification of processes for ease of doing business, one of the major drawbacks in our country since many years, but now India is doing really well in the ease of doing index also, and we are constantly increasing, and our rank is also performing well with each passing year. So the process of manufacturing and factory, or the simplification of processes for ease of doing business is also happening, which will help in boosting the exports. Then comes the Defense Production and Export Promotion Policy 2020. So defense production, we need to talk about production, which talks about manufacturing, which comes into play with the Make in India project. And export promotion, that we need to promote exports also on larger basis, because if we are producing and then we are exporting, this will also show our strength that yes, we are capable of producing the high quality products and the equipments or arms to on which over a large period of time, or in the last 70 years we have completely depended on the import, but now we are becoming self-reliant and are able to manufacture it on our own, and plus we are also able and capable enough to help the world by supplying the arms and ammunitions. Then the Defense Production and Export Promotion Policy 2020, which would be a guiding document to provide focused, structured and significant thrust to defense production capabilities of the country for self-reliance and export. So this was about few of the initiatives. Now it's time for the prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And it says, consider the following statements. First, 2 defense industrial corridors are being set up in Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Second, India is among the top 10 exporters of major arms. Third, Sri Lanka has been the biggest importer of Indian arms over the last 5 years. So you have to tell about the correct statement, and the codes given are 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, or none of the above. I think you will be able to do this one because we have discussed all these 3 points in the video. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.